また滑る準備はいい？
Ready to slide again. Ready to slide again. Ready to slide again.
さあ、やろう。私がついています。
Let's do this. I'm here for you. Let's do this. I'm here for you. Let's do this. I'm here for you.
膝のことが心配です。
Nervous about my knee. Nervous about my knee. Nervous about my knee.
ゆっくりやりましょう。必要に応じて調整します。
Take it slow. We'll adjust as needed. Take it slow. We'll adjust as needed. Take it slow. We'll adjust as needed.
私のフォームはどうですか？
How's my form looking? How's my form looking? How's my form looking?
ずっと良い。バランスを保って。
Much better. Keep your balance. Much better. Keep your balance. Much better. Keep your balance.
少しフラフラする。
I feel a bit wobbly. I feel a bit wobbly. I feel a bit wobbly.
小さな一歩。私たちはそこにたどり着くでしょう。
Small steps. We'll get there. Small steps. We'll get there. Small steps. We'll get there.
私は強く投げすぎましたか？
Did I throw too hard? Did I throw too hard? Did I throw too hard?
少しだけれど、良い努力だ。
A little but good effort. A little but good effort. A little but good effort.
私のリリースは大丈夫ですか？
Is my release okay? Is my release okay? Is my release okay?
はい、滑らかで一貫性があります。
Yes, smooth and consistent. Yes, smooth and consistent. Yes, smooth and consistent.
狙いは正しいですか？
Am I aiming correctly? Am I aiming correctly? Am I aiming correctly?
もう少し左に調整してください。
Almost. Adjust slightly left. Almost. Adjust slightly left. Almost. Adjust slightly left.
これは私が覚えているよりも難しい。
This is harder than I remember. This is harder than I remember. This is harder than I remember.
あなたは素晴らしい。諦めないで。
You're doing great. Don't give up. You're doing great. Don't give up. You're doing great. Don't give up.
今少し疲れています。
Feeling a little tired now. Feeling a little tired now. Feeling a little tired now.
それでは、少し休憩しましょ
う。Let's take a short break then. Let's take a short break then. Let's take a short break then.
もう一投
One more throw. One more throw. One more throw.
もちろんです。それを大切にしてください。
Absolutely make it count. Absolutely make it count. Absolutely make it count.
このエクササイズを終えるなんて素晴らしい。とても役に立ちました。もっと動画を作るためのモチベーションとサポートを維持するために、チャンネル登録をお願いします。